How to lock Netflix profile on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can lock Netflix profile on phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to lock your Netflix profile on phone, let's just say that you go ahead and then open the Netflix application like this, and then you can see I have locked some of the profiles. So how do you want to lock it if you want to lock it from your phone? Now remember that we cannot do this process from the Netflix app, so you want to open your browser, go to netflix.com and log into your account. So instead of using app, open your browser and log in. Tap the three lines option from the top left and go to account. After you go to account, you will land on this page. Just scroll down and look for the profile that you want to lock. As you can see, this is already locked, that's why you can see the lock icon. So if you want to lock one of these, select that option, and then you can see profile lock is currently off. Tap the change option. Now first of all, make sure to enter your Netflix current password and tap on continue, and turn on require a pin to access this profile, and simply make sure to enter the pin that you want to use. Tap on the save option, and next time whenever you open the Netflix app, that profile is going to get locked. This way you can lock Netflix profile on phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.